Hi guys, Mr. Lee's here doing the SQA Higher Mathematics paper from 2019, paper 2, and we're on question 8, where you're told that a function f is given by f of x is the cube root of x plus 8. The domain, that is the numbers that go in, lie between 1 and 1,000, and the inverse function exists. Find the inverse function and state the domain of this inverse function. Okay, so let's get to it. So the usual way to get the inverse function, of course, is you set the original function equal to y, and you change the subject of the formula to x. So the plus 8 goes over to be minus 8. The opposite of cube root is cubing, of course, so x is y take 8 cubed. So that's the inverse function in terms of y. Change the y to an x. So the inverse function in terms of x is x take 8 cubed. Okay. For part B, for the domain, well, let's check out the domain of f of x first of all. Well, it's 1 to 1,000. So at one end of the graph, f of 1 is the cube root of 1 plus 8, gives you 9. So this curve here, the original curve starts at 1, 9. Where does it end? F of 1,000 is a cube root of 1,000, which is 10 plus 8 gives you 18. So the curve ends at 1,018. So this one starts at 1, 9 and it ends at 1,018. Okay, so it's crucial that you know that to sketch the inverse of a function, you would reflect the original in the line y equals x. What does that do? What does the inverse function look like? It means that the points a, b on the original function map or change to the points b, a. You swap them round on the inverse function. So the inverse function would start at 9, 1, swapping them round, and would end up at 18, 1,000, swapping them round the other way. So 9, 1 to 18, 1,000 has a domain, the numbers going in, from 9 to 18, and that's your answer there.